Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to create sinking funds using Lendingclub sub accounts. Sinking funds are a smart way to save gradually for planned expenses like vacation, holiday shopping, or annual insurance premium. Instead of scrambling for cash at the last minute, Lendingclub lets you organize these savings goals using savings sub accounts. To get started, log into your Lendingclub account and open multiple sub-accounts under your primary savings. Label each one with the purpose of the funds, for example, vacation 2025, maybe car maintenance, or holiday gifts. This clear separation is going to keep your money organized and ensure that you don't dip into funds that are meant for other goals. Next, set up automatic transfers for each sub-account. You might spend $100 a month in a vacation funds or spend $50 a month in your car funds. Now, by spreading the cost over time, large expenses feel a lot more manageable. You can track the progress of each fund directly in the Lendingclub dashboard. Watching balances grow steadily is extremely motivating, and of course, it helps you to stay disciplined. Using sub-accounts as sinking funds, essentially, you're financially prepared for non-emergency expenses without disrupting your regular budget or deepen into your emergency savings. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.